You saw my previous video on how to set up a horizontal living soil. This is the actual bed right here, and this bed's been running pretty hard for the last little bit over 2 years. So I want to give a little update on the horizontal system and then how to refresh between each run. Over the last 2 years, this bed has run 8 different cycles. And so when you grow plants and you grow crops and you harvest them, you got to think about that as in weight, and that weight is being taken out of this soil. And so what we want to do is we want to refresh this after each run. You can see it's I ran some open bottom pots, so I'll have to come in and just kind of break some of that up. Don't usually pull the root balls, but some of those will come up. And in this video, we'll just talk about how to deal with all those different parts and pieces. You see some grasses grow up in here, and this is chia seed. And refreshing the bed is very important. I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video, the one where I set it up. It's also important to have a nice pan under your living soil, and I also like to have a little bit of a slope in that pan facing one direction, so when I water, if I overwater, I can see the water accumulate in the bottom of the pan. And so yeah, with that said, I'll go ahead and set up and we'll get this bed refreshed and ready to run again.